Hi there, I'm Dr. Elson Haas, and I'm happy to join you here from my clinic, Preventive Medical Center of Marin in San Rafael, California, where I've been since 1984 working with a great team of staff and practitioners doing integrative medicine. And, part of that is really getting to the core of things and getting underneath the causes of illness. And, my basic message is how we look and feel is a result of how we live. And the idea of doctor as the teacher, the Latin word docere is teacher, and that's what doctor's main role is, as well as healing. And also, I love the idea of the barefoot doctors who are paid to keep people healthy. So, given that, I've written a number of books, 11 books on staying healthy with the seasons, staying healthy with nutrition, the detox diet, ultimate immunity. And I've also been teaching online the last couple of years, so I don't have to travel as much, nor do you, because we can meet right there on the computer or on your phone. And I have programs up on the Thinkific platform, Regain Your Natural Energy, seasonal detox programs, healing food allergies and reactions. And I really love the process of working with you and helping you make the steps to improve your health. I want to introduce you to Angela Murphy, my associate and the hostess for all the programs that we're doing online. And she's going to take you through and help you understand the Thinkific platform and how to use it to your advantage. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Angela Murphy, and I'm going to give you a quick tutorial of the Thinkific learning platform. This is the home page of the Thinkific platform. You can get here at any time by typing in elsonhaasmd.thinkific.com. So you can watch a little video of Dr. Haas. You can scroll down and you'll see what the featured courses are. And you can learn a little bit about him, see what media he's been in, and you can choose a healthier lifestyle. If you click the Start Today button, it will take you to whatever the current upcoming live class will be. Dr. Haas offers both live classes and self-paced courses that you can sign up for and do at your own leisure and do it at the pace that works best for you. The place that we would recommend starting is the 5 Keys to Staying Healthy. That is an overview, a slideshow that asks yourself some questions about your health, and that one is free. The next one that's a wonderful class to take that's a lot more in depth and offers a lot of information is the Regain Your Natural Energy. This has support materials and practices to do. You can click on the Learn More button and you will see more classes that are offered. Dr. Haas has put together a self-paced spring and summer or a warm weather cleanse that you can do that was from a previously recorded course, so you can do it at your own pace and start right now if you want to. The No False Fat course is also an edited version of a live course that he did that is self-paced based on his book, The False Fat Diet, to help you work through, inflammation and things that appear to be fat that may not be. So let's say you want to sign up for any of these. You would just click on it. So we'll click on the 5 keys. And then what you come to is a landing page. When you click on any of these classes, they each have their own individual landing pages. And you can scroll down on the landing page. You can usually watch a little video. You can learn some information about it. And you'll always see the course curriculum. Now, you are not yet inside of the class, so this is just showing you what is in the class once you sign up. So you can drop down any of these details and it'll show you. And then generally there's a sign up now button at the bottom as well as at the top of the class. So we're going to click enroll for free. And then you'll always see something that looks like this. It's where you fill in your information. But if you have already registered for any other courses, use this little link here called I already have an account. And then when you click on that, it will get you into whatever class you want. And if you tell your computer to remember you, then it's very quick and easy to sign in. So now I've gone back to this landing page, and now I see my name up here instead of the sign in, but it's still not inside of the course materials. It just takes you automatically back to the landing page. So then you need to click to go to My Dashboard, And then it will show you the classes that you've already signed up for. So let's see. Yep, there we go. So you'll see all the different classes you've signed up for, and then you can click it, and then it will take you inside of the learning platform. Now you'll always see a turquoise box like this. This is how you know you're inside the learning platform. There's a turquoise box and there's a left navigation bar. And if you don't see the turquoise box, then look for these 4 little arrows all pointing away from each other. If I click them now, it'll make the turquoise box go away. And for some reason, when some people first log in, they don't see that turquoise. So click on this and then it brings back that navigation bar. So you'll look at these little green circles that tell you where you are in the class, and you click on them and it's a drop-down menu. So it tells you what's inside of each of these sections. So you can close and open these, and then you can click on them and you'll see in the middle part what's, some of them have videos and some of them have different slides or different information. So that's all you need. Once you get into the classes, they all look the same. I mean, each of the landing pages is different. And then once you sign in or you register for the class, then the internal part of the class has the left turquoise bar and the navigation. If you have any questions, please email Dr. Elson Haas at gmail.com and someone will respond to you. Well, I hope that was helpful. Back to you, Dr. Haas.
In review, the key to your health is up to you. I want you all to stay healthy and improve your health as well. My motto is lifestyle first, natural therapies next, drugs or surgery last. And if we focus on that, we're going to stay out of trouble. But it comes back to you and really taking care of yourself. So my goal with all of you is to help you stay healthy.